Okay, today we're going to make a coded chart. Our top line are nouns, people, places, things, and ideas. For people, we're going to put a couple people. For places, we'll put a little house. For things, we'll put a basketball. For ideas, light bulb. On our second line, we have verbs and modifiers. Our verbs can be actions or state of beings, and we'll show both of those using an arrow. Our modifiers, we have two. We have adjectives, which modify nouns or pronouns. And we have adverbs, which modify verbs, sometimes adjectives, and sometimes even adverbs. Our final line, we have conjunctions, which we'll indicate with a plus sign, and prepositions, for which we'll use a P and a little circle. Now, we also have articles which won't have a code. Articles are weak adjectives. They give a little more information about a noun or a pronoun, but not a lot. So we have a, an, and the. A, an, and the are the three articles that we have in the English language. And that's it for our coded chart.